guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Choma Loretta and I am back with another video. So if you're new here, please like this video, subscribe, share and turn on post notification. Yes, so it has come to my notice that many of you just like subscribe, you don't turn on your post notification. Please turn on your post notification so you get to know whenever I post a new video. It's kind of boring here, so I decided to like something to brighten up the day. Avoid that girl over there. So yeah, I decided to like do a makeup video to glam my face up for the first time in a long time. Like I'm not a makeup person, so I hardly make up. So I decided to do it today, for you guys. So guys, before we get right into the video, please turn on your post notification and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much as you do that. And yes, and the hair you guys are going to be seeing in the video after this is going to be different from this on my head. That's because I did that video on Saturday and today is Monday. I did that video and I forgot to do intro video, so I decided to do it today, Monday. So yeah, that's why they are two different hairstyle. So yep, let's get right into the video and guys tell me what you think in the comment section below. See you guys later. When you have a YouTuber in the room, you always want to like enter the video, so it's allowed.